Bannari Amman Institute of Technology, a way of life.
In this segment, we describe about weaving process, in which certain preliminary process should be undergone for further weaving process. They are winding, warping, sizing. Cone winding is to make bigger package from ring bobbin in order to get continuous length of yarn on cones for subsequent process like warping, weaving, knitting, etc. This cone is also used as weft yarn in shuttler's loom. The yarn supply got from bobbin is transversed into cone through tensioner to tightly wrap the yarn on cone. Second type of winding is pern winding. A pern or quill is a weft bobbin that is placed inside a shuttle weaving. In textile language, warping is defined as parallel winding of yarn from cone or cheese package onto a weaver's beam. Sectional warping. Sectional warping is a process in which total ends of the warp is divided into several sections and wrapped drum, and then it is transferred to a weaver's beam. The second type of warping is direct warping. In this process, the total end of the warp is wrapped at the same time to the warp beam. It is mostly used when several warp beams of same quality and pattern is required. Sizing is done by applying various types of size paste on the yarn based on the required properties. After winding and warping, sizing of yarns is done during the beam preparation. Purpose of sizing is to increase resistivity against friction and tension. A good fabric quality is gained by reducing hairiness and increased smoothness. Fabric defects are reduced because of increased yarn strength. Weaving. Weaving is a process of interlacing two types of yarns, warp yarns and weft yarns, to produce rigid fabric. Based on shedding mechanism, looms are classified into three types, namely tappet, dobby, and jacquard looms. Tappet looms. In this type, tappet helps in shedding process. It helps in moving up the heel frame, and the reverse motion shaft brings down the heel frame. It belongs to the negative shedding mechanism because lowering of the frame is with the help of single cam and rising is with the help of reversing media like springs and reverse motion shaft. Dobby. Dobby is another type of shedding mechanism which can handle up to 36 frames. Components in Dobby are knives, inner and outer jack, C-link, bulk lever, straight lever, bent lever, link rod, wooden cylindrical pattern, and wooden peg. Comparing tappet looms, more patterns or designs can be produced. Jacquard mechanism. In jacquard mechanism, we can design for a single yarn with the help of perforated pattern sheets. Here, heel wire controls the warp yarns ups and downs. There are two types of jacquard mechanism: single end single cylinder mechanism, double end double cylinder mechanism. Important components of jacquard are hooks, needles, pattern sheets. Based on the weft carrier, shuttleless looms are classified into three. Airjet. Airjet is a fully automated loom. Here, air is the weft carrier. Pressurized air helps in carrying the weft. In one end, air pushes the weft. In the other end, there will be a sucker which sucks the weft. In this machine, profile reed is used for beating up. There are three nozzles in airjet: main nozzle, sub nozzle, and suction nozzle. These are the important components for the passing of weft yarns in adze. Rapier loom. Rapier loom is also another type of automated loom. Here, rapier is the weft carrier. There are two rapiers in this machine. First one will carry the weft to the half of the machine and the other will carry the weft up to the end. In the next type, rapier carries the weft till the end.